How to fix the door bracket on a tumbler dryer Hotpoint. This is the new one. Take the screw out the front. Take the screws out of the bolt, shall I say, out of here. This is on the brackets on. You have this. Then you have to pry the glass door away. A little bit of a click, but it'll come up. And then you have to ease these little brackets out. And here's the broken bit from the end. Take them both off. Get the bracket, but make sure you work out which way it goes. So if the door's like that, the bracket goes like this. Put the two little plastic hinges. Now reseat them back in there. Put the cover back on. Make sure it sits in there correctly. Screw the front hitch. Two bolts in the back. This is a really old tumbler, so it's just wear and tear that's broken that. And you can get them off of eBay for about £3 or £4. Get them nice and tight. A little socket and a ratchet would be easier. I'll just come back with it. Check it's all okay. And then we have one new hinge. Screw it back into the housing. Thanks for watching.